If you're in search of a single-story home, consider the desirable Ashbrook floor plan. This spacious one-story floor plan home includes 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and offers a lot of usable space with a wide-open floor plan. As you walk into this beautiful home, you'll find the formal dining and living room right off the foyer. The luxurious hand-scraped hardwood floors accent this unique design and enhance the architectural niches and arches throughout. When you step into the family room, you'll find this signature stone fireplace that's the perfect centerpiece for spending quality time with your family for years to come. Just off the family room, you'll find a gourmet kitchen that includes stainless steel appliances, a large island workspace, granite countertops, custom cabinets, and can also be built with an optional butler's pantry. The wonderful owner's retreat offers plenty of privacy and living space for your personal comfort. As you make your way through the double-door entry, the master bath offers a separate stand-up shower, a relaxing garden tub, and a large walk-in closet. The Ashbrook floor plan also includes 2 additional secondary bedrooms and an optional covered back patio that's perfect for enjoying the sunset outdoors after a long day. We can build you this floor plan or any of our other plans in almost every First Texas community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.